This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075 and the helpline for Meghalaya are 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya yesterday chaired a review meeting on vaccination progress with senior officials from Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Puducherry. These states and union territories have been reporting low vaccination coverage. Reiterating that vaccination is the most potent weapon in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, the Health Minister urged the states and union territory to innovatively rope in all stakeholders including NGOs, faith-based organizations, religious leaders, community influencers and other partners to speed up vaccination. He asked them to address issues of hesitancy, misinformation and superstition. Dr. Mandaviya urged the states to deploy all government officials 1 day each week to visit each eligible household to motivate and mobilize them towards full vaccination. Dr. Mandaviya exhorted the states to prepare detailed district-wise micro-plans, deploy adequate number of teams and regularly review the daily progress of the low-performing districts. Meghalaya yesterday reported 28 new cases of COVID-19 and 12 recoveries. The state had 296 active cases as per the latest official count. The coverage of second dose of vaccination stands at 38%. National Health Mission Director Ram Kumar said that both the centre and the state government want to ensure every last person gets vaccinated. In Manipur, 39 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, with 43 more COVID-19 patients discharged from health centres after recovery. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah virtually laid the foundation stone for Rani Gaidinliu Tribal Freedom Fighters Museum to be constructed at Luangkao Village, Tamenglong District in Manipur yesterday. The museum will be constructed under the funding of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs with an estimated cost of 15 crore rupees. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda attended the foundation laying program at City Convention Centre in Fall. Mr. Shah stated that the museum was to be constructed honouring the contribution made by freedom fighters of Manipur during the struggle against the British rule. Construction of such museums and paying respect to freedom fighters would imbibe a sense of nationalism in the youth of the country. Highlighting the contribution of Rani Gaidinliu in the freedom struggle, the Union Home Minister maintained that the freedom struggle of India would have been incomplete without the then various revolts and uprisings which had taken place in different parts of the country. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has revealed that the state government has received some financial support from the centre to clear the pending salaries of the teachers under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and that paperwork is underway. Informing that the issue was raised again with Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, the Chief Minister said that the Union Minister is assured to lend his support in releasing funds to pay the salaries of SSA teachers in Meghalaya and has assured full support from the centre to the state government. The annual Seng Kut Snem commemorating the 122nd anniversary of the Seng Khasi Movement to preserve, protect and uphold indigenous Khasi religion, faith, culture and the way of life, which began in 1899, is being celebrated at the Lympung Weiking Grounds in Shillong today in keeping with COVID-19 safety protocols. The Khasi, the indigenous religion, teaches of one God, Udlay, with the main precept of the faith being truth is the ultimate. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.